In this video, you will learn how to filter data in Excel. Then you will learn how to filter data by shortcut keys in Excel, filter data by date, by name, by cell value, by color with multiple criteria, and at the end how you can copy to the another sheet in Excel. So let's start and learn how to filter data in Excel. To filter data in Excel, click anywhere in your data, then go to your data tab, click on filter. Now you will get one arrow button and you can easily filter based on your requirement. To clear the filter, go to data tab, click on clear. If you want to entirely remove the filter and arrow button, go to the data tab, click on filter. How to filter data by shortcut keys in Excel. If you go to the data tab, leave your mouse point, you can get the Ctrl Shift L as the keyboard shortcut key. Alternative shortcut key for filter data is Alt D F F. Another shortcut key to filter the data is click on Alt, click on A for data, then click on T for filter. The next shortcut key to filter the data is, if you want to add filter button in your quick access toolbar, just click this arrow button, go to more commands, click on data tab, and from that you can select add or remove filter to the right side, click on add, then it will be added, click on OK. So now the shortcut key for the filter will be Alt plus 4. If I press Alt, it will show as 4. So now how we can select from the drop down list using your shortcut key? Just press Alt plus down arrow. Now you have this dialog box. Now to get the filter, just whatever the underlined text, click on that. If you want to go directly to the filter, then press F from your keyboard. Now similarly, whatever underlined text, you can just press that button and you can go there. Or click on the arrow button from your keyboard and easily you can move. To go back, click on this, and to go to the next section, if it is not underlined, just press the tab key. And if you want to go back, just press Shift tab, so it will go one step back. Again tab, click on the space bar from your keyboard so that it will be selected or unselected based on your requirement. Go down, press the arrow button, you go up, press the arrow button, and if you want to select more, click on more. And at the end, press enter to apply. How to remove filter using your keyboard shortcut keys. The same shortcut keys you can also use to remove the filter. For example, Ctrl, Shift and L. So now filter is removed. How to filter data by date in Excel. If you have lot of dates in Excel, if you click the filter down arrow, so you have one other option called date filters. The date filters will be available only when your contents are in date format. This month, next month, this day, tomorrow, today, yesterday, based on your requirement. Suppose I am selecting next week or next month. If I click on next month, so what is the next month? It will be displayed. Now similarly, if you want to clear from filter, you can either clear here or you can clear from here. Now let's say in the date filter, you want some specific period, some specific month. Let's say Q1, Q2, or November, December. You want only December or November data. Then click on November, you will get all the November data. How to filter data by name or text in Excel. When your contents are in text format, then your filter will have your text filter. Here you have option to filter based on whatever the contents you want. For example, I want to filter begin with some alphabet called A alphabet. Let's say I'm typing A. Then click on OK. So whatever the names starts with A, it will be filter. Let's remove the filter. Again, go to the text filter. Let's say contains. Let's say contains Amit. For example, wrongly you have selected contains, but rather than you want to ends with. Either contains Amit or contains, so anything you can add. Content Preeti. Then click on OK. Both Amit and Preeti will be filter. How to filter data by cell value in Excel. So here if I click on this arrow button, I have number filters. In number filter, I can have many options like less than, greater than, or custom filter. If you want to select anything, let's say less than 1000, and click on OK. How to filter data by color in Excel. If you have already predefined some of the colors, then also you can filter based on your colors. If you don't have any color, for example, I am going to remove all my colors, then you don't have filter by color option. If you already have some colors, then automatically Excel will give you the output what are the colors you have, and at the end you will have no fill. Suppose you want the cells which are not colors, then just filter, you will have not colors. Suppose you want to filter only yellow color, then you will get only yellow color data. Now how to filter data with multiple criteria? For example, let's say I have already filtered only apple and I want to add along with apple. Then in the drop down, select your cherry, or if it is not there a lot of data, then type cherry and here click on add current selection to filter. Now what will happen? The cherry as well as the apple data will be available. Click on OK. So now cherry and apple both the data are available. How to filter data and copy to another sheet in Excel? Suppose you have already filtered some of the data and you want to copy to next sheet. If you have lot of data, then rather selecting like this, just click anywhere in your data, click on Ctrl A from your keyboard, then type Ctrl C from your keyboard, then go to the next sheet by Ctrl page down. If your previous sheet, you can press Ctrl page up, then just press Ctrl C. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe our channel. If you like the video, please like and share. If you have any question or suggestion, please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.